Hi there. In this lesson, you will learn about describe what is friction. So let's get started. You've probably seen movies of spaceships from other planets hitting our atmosphere and splashing into the ocean. The spaceship catches fire and begins to burn as it hits the Earth's atmosphere. Any meteor that enters the Earth's atmosphere has the same effect. Why? The answer is friction. Friction is a resistive force between two solid surfaces that impedes their motion against each other. In other words, a force that works in opposition to the motion of an object and slows down the motion of the object. Friction produces heat when one surface rubs against the other and makes it hard for one surface to slide over the other. Some examples of friction from our daily lives are pushing a heavy object, walking on a road, skating, drilling a nail into the wall, writing, etc.